Fear came knocking at my doorway. Lies were whispering in the dark, trying to steal what you had spoken, trying to break my weary heart. But I stood upon your promise, lifted high the King